Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to learn how to find more information about your computer using the command prompt. I like the command prompt because it gives you all details you need to know about your PC. Let's go. Let's follow the simple procedure. Then CMD, you type CMD at your search button, you run as an administrator. When it's open, you type this system info, system information. You just hit enter, you wait for it to load. Okay, here we are. You can see your host name is the name of the particular PC you are checking. The OS, the operating system name is Microsoft Windows 11 Pro. It's running on Microsoft Windows 11 Pro. You can see the OS version here. Then you come down here, you can see your physical memory. As it stands, I'm running on 16 gig memory. You can also see it here. You can see the available, the one being used, the virtual memory size, everything is here. You can go ahead to see the system model, which is HP EliteBook. When you are using any other laptop, you will definitely see the model there. System manufacturer, you see it. Original install date, the date the OS was installed on this particular PC, everything will be here. You can go down here, you can see network card over here. You can see the type, then everything you wanted to know. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.